Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Asus TUF Gaming GeForce GTX 1660 OC Edition. So how tough can a graphics card be really? Well, it's not actually describing how tough the graphics card really is, but in fact it's the TUF Gaming Alliance, which is a collaboration between Asus and major PC manufacturers out there. TUF gaming products have to meet a certain standard for durability, compatibility and reliability. And that goes for the entire range of PC peripherals from motherboards, keyboards, mice, cases, coolers and obviously power supplies. The Asus TUF Gaming GeForce GTX 1660 OC Edition is one of the first TUF Gaming certified graphics card out there. So it'll be interesting to see how this graphics card compares with the others. It has an overclocked GPU with a boost speed of 1845 MHz, as well as 1408 CUDA Cores, and of course 6 GB of GDDR5 RAM. We already reviewed the MSI version, and we thought it was a pretty good card. It's great for mainstream gamers, as well as people on a tight budget. Now, don't expect huge performance versus, of course, the RTX 20 series, but you will get some benefits from the DXR driver release from NVIDIA, which will hopefully give you some ray tracing capabilities. So, without further ado, let's put this in our test rig, build a test system, and do a quick unboxing. So, we'll see you later. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing. Here we have our driver disk with the GPU Tweak 2, it's the overclocking software, a quick instruction manual, and that is it. Right, graphics card, let's have a look. Alright, quite compact, very surprising. Just your 8-pin power, one of them, for your graphics card, and twin fans, so that's quite nice. It's got this TUF Gaming branding with the nice design, and then back here we have a back plate, but it's a plastic, so not your metal back plate, but a plastic one, but should give you some stability. Alright, so let's have a look at the output. We have one display port, one HDMI and one DVI, so you've got 3 display outputs for your monitors. There's no LED lighting here, and the heatsink, there's no heat pipes, so it's just like a large heatsink with a copper base, but no heat pipes. And this is a nice compact card. I think it will fit in a lot of, 99% of the cases out there. So this is pretty much it. So this is the Asus TUF Gaming GeForce GTX 1660 OC Edition. Let's put this in our test rig and see how it performs. See you later. Well, what can I say? There's not a lot to shout about or any real excitement with regards to the Asus TUF Gaming GeForce GTX 1660 OC. I mean really, it doesn't come with any metal backplate, there's no heat pipe cooling or any LEDs. And at $235 US is a fairly expensive replacement for your older GeForce GTX 1060. On the plus side, what it does have is the latest GPU from NVIDIA, and that's based on the Turing architecture, offering Turing shaders but no RT cores or Tenon cores for native ray tracing. But with NVIDIA's up and coming driver release with DXR ray tracing support, who knows, maybe it'll perform better, but I'm not holding my breath. If you look at the benchmarks, the Asus TUF Gaming GeForce GTX 1660 is sadly at the bottom of the list, mustering just enough performance to beat the Radeon RX 590. Here's the results from the 3D Mark Time Spy. And here's the Firestrike results. With no heat pipe cooling, the low temperatures reached a high of 72 degrees. It's not the lowest I've seen, and Asus can do better. I'm not giving this card or any GeForce GTX 1660 a hard time. It's just that I think Nvidia have released the GeForce GTX 1660 too early and at the wrong time, and this is making manufacturers suffer. Remember, the 1660 Ti was only released last month, so go get that instead, seriously. If you want a GeForce GTX 1660 that will fit in most cases, then you might want to consider and check out the Asus TUF Gaming GeForce GTX 1660 OC. It's compact and comes with some nice camouflage design, but for those who want good gaming performance, spend a little more and get the GTX 1660 Ti instead. You can check out the full review on our website at FunkyKit.com. And there you have it. This is the Asus TUF Gaming GeForce GTX 1660 OC edition with an overclocked GPU of 1845 MHz. Not as tough as we thought, but still a decent card. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. You can actually buy this via the links in the description, and don't forget to visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. And of course, yes, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for FunkyKit.com.